Hello everyone, my name is Sean Stokes. I'm an Associate Clinical Professor in the Department of Chemistry at MSU. And today we're going to discuss best practices using a learning management system, or LMS. For those who aren't familiar, an LMS is a digital platform that organizes and delivers course content, assignments, and facilitates communication between students and professors. Here at MSU, our LMS is Canvas. So why is an LMS important? It streamlines the educational experience by making it easier to manage course materials, track progress, and stay connected. To maximize use of an LMS, here are 5 best practices to enhance your experience. Best practice number 1, personalize your welcome. Creating a simple introductory page is an excellent way to make a strong first impression. Some professors even use video introductions. This allows you to share your teaching style, excitement, and expectations in an engaging way. Plus, it helps students see the human side of their professor, fostering a more personal connection right from the start. Best practice number 2, create a help zone. It's crucial to prominently display your teaching schedule and office hours. This transparency assures students that support is available and encourages them to reach out when needed. Additionally, you can provide extra resources on your Canvas page, like links to external sites, a schedule for tutoring or supplemental instruction, or even a discussion board for questions. Best practice number 3, organize your content clearly. Using modules is a central part of the learning experience. Creating lesson modules allows students to see the organizational flow and content, including related assignments and daily activities. This allows students to manage their time and make connections between various concepts. Take the time to streamline your Canvas page in a logical way so that students are aware of the flow of the course from beginning to end. Best practice number 4, provide self-assessments and practice. Incorporating multiple activities into the modules encourages students to engage deeply with the material. Multiple types of embedded formative assessments reinforce learning and allow students to monitor their own progress. Best practice number 5, integrate opportunities for students to interact with one another. Students should be able to ask questions and collaborate with their peers, whether they are in a physical classroom or learning fully online. Using discussion boards, interactive boards like Padlet, or even creating collaborative assignments support student-to-student interaction. In summary, implementing these best practices can greatly enhance student experiences when engaged with your student content. Thank you for watching, and look forward to more class videos from our team. Have a great day.